Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I have something sweet for you. I'm going to show you how I make these glorious looking mini cheesecakes. For this recipe, you're going to need one package of Maria's biscuit or cookies depending on where you're from. I'm going to add this to my food processor and I'm going to pulse it until it gets really fine. For those of you who are not familiar, we call cookies in Belize biscuit. Growing up, we didn't have a food processor, so my mom would always put the biscuit in a bag and use a rolling pin to crush it until it gets really fine. Leave me a comment below and let me know if you use Maria's biscuit for your crust, or what do you like to use for your crust other than graham crackers? Next, I'm going to add some sugar to the biscuit to sweeten it a bit, then mix it together. Then I'm going to add some melted margarine, but you could use butter if you like, either one will work. Then I'm just going to give it a good mix until everything sticks together before I put it in the pan. I have a 12-cup muffin pan here that I line, and I'm just going to evenly distribute the mixture in the pan. Okay, so now it's time to press down the mixture in the pan, and when I do that, I like using a shot glass. That just makes it easy, but if you don't have a shot glass, you can just use the back of a spoon. For the filling, you're going to need 2 packages of cream cheese. I had these sitting out at room temperature to soften. Make sure you get every bit of cream cheese off the package because you can't afford to waste it. To do this part, I'm using my electric mixer, and I'm just going to beat this a little bit to get it going before I add the other ingredients. Now I'm going to add some white sugar and vanilla and beat that some more. Make sure you scrape the bowl in between so you could get everything mixed in together. Then lastly, I'm going to add 2 eggs, but I'm beating them in one at a time. Don't overbeat your mixture, you just want to beat it until everything is blended. Now I'm going to evenly spoon the mixture over the crust. Man, I could just eat this by the spoonfuls because it's so good. I know I'm not allowed to do that because of the raw eggs, but I'm just putting this out there and let you know cheesecake is my weakness. Give this video a thumbs up if you love cheesecake. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 22 minutes. You don't want to overbake it. If you see that your cheesecake starts to crack, that means you baked it too long. It should have a slight jiggle to it, and it will puff up when it bakes, but when it cools down, it will flatten a bit. You want to let that cool down completely before you put it in the refrigerator, and I like to leave mine in there overnight before I eat it. Something about that overnight setting just does something to the flavors. Well, I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.